Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a general reading for the sign of Pisces. This is going to be for the month of July, the rest of the month of July, and this is a general reading, so may or may not resonate with all the Pisceans out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest. And you can always watch other videos of your other sign placements to get additional information if this doesn't resonate with you. So let's see what are the messages coming in for Pisces. What does Pisces need to know at this time? You have Justice and you have Temperance. So Pisces, before I go ahead, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of you who have already subscribed. And if you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Click on that bell icon so that you're notified every time when I post a video. Your subscriptions mean a lot to me. It helps me grow as a reader. It helps me post more videos like these for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, click on that bell icon for me. So Pisces, Hanged Man under the deck. Justice and the Temperance. I feel things are finally coming into a place of balance for you, Pisces. Okay, so whatever, I think in the past few months, in the past few years even, Pisces has always had a very difficult time, be it relationships, be it money, be it career, but be it finances. Things were always a bit up and down. Also, when it comes to relationships, things have been very difficult on that front for you as well. Okay, even if there were some good times, there was a lot of bad times that followed those good times, and I feel that finally you are getting justice for all that you've been through, all the difficulties and all the troubles that you've been through. Things are finally coming to a place of balance where you are healing from things from the past. You are going with the flow. You have now, you are connected to the universe in such a way where you now trust in the universe more. Okay, there's more of a spiritual leaning. There's more of balance coming into your life. Okay, this is also Sagittarius energy and Libra energy. Tell me more about this Justice. So we have the Queen of Wands. So yeah, exactly, I feel that you're coming to a place of you are finally gaining that confidence back, because like I said, it's not been easy for you in the past. Things have been difficult. It's somewhere affected your self-confidence in many ways, and now you feel very confident about yourself. You are taking power back in your hands. You are going after what you want. You're following your heart. You're following your desires. You are passionate about things again. So things are turning around for you, and you're feeling this change yourself. This is not just the cards. I sense that you know, or you have this feeling, this intuition that things are now looking up for you. Things are looking better for you. You are feeling good about yourself also. Okay, so let's see Temperance. Yeah, there was a sense of confusion in the past. There was a sense of confusion, nothing being sure, like you're not sure about where your life was going, what direction it was headed in. There was a lot of uncertainty, there was a lot of confusion, there was a lot of illusions also, because Pisces is ruled by Neptune, and I know there's always that looking at things from a very rose-colored glasses, but you're finally seeing things clearly. You're finally coming to a place where you are just learning to take things as it comes, and at the same time see things for what it is. Okay, nobody can mess with you now, Pisces. That's what I'm getting. Okay, Two of Wands. I feel there's a decision coming up for you in the future, and this has got to do with work. It's a very practical decision. Also, for some of you, it could be about moving to a new place or a new job, or there's something that about travel. Okay, so I feel that you are at a crossroads, trying to decide, trying to look at this from a very practical point of view, trying to make a decision, because it is a big decision. Yeah, see, something that you manifested is coming towards you, okay, Pisces, and now that it's come towards you, you are trying to decide if this is what you really want. Like, you have manifested something, but also it comes with this additional burden of, you know, having to move to another place. Like, there's something about making a decision here. Yeah, see, where you're going towards is very prosperous, it's very abundant. You're in this Empress energy, you're growing, you are looking good. There are a lot of people attracted to you. Oh, look at that, the Emperor showing up with the Empress. So there is also an offer coming in for you from someone, and this is love, okay? So I feel this is an offer coming in for you. Maybe this person who you are dealing with is offering a marriage, a commitment, like they are asking you to move in with them, okay? And that may need you or require you to move to another place, and this is what you've manifested. But at the same time, there are things that you have to think about, consider. But you know, this person is very hopeful that you will say yes. There's a sense of you know, some good things that is coming towards you. The Tower is come out, so let's see what that is. Something very shocking, very surprising. Ooh, there could be some conflicts. So everything was going so well, Pisces. The Tower. So something here is pretty shocking and unexpected, okay? You could be having fights with this person about this move that you have to make. Okay, maybe you're not ready for this move, or maybe you don't want to leave this place. There's an apology coming in, or somebody is coming in with an apology here. But Queen of Swords, yeah, there could be some fight, some difference of opinion between you and this person, okay? The Hierophant, the Hermit, and the Five of Pentacles. Feeling left out in the cold, because I see you and this person not seeing eye to eye on this whole thing about moving to another place. Hierophant, there could also be a like a marriage proposal coming in. King of Pentacles, Taurus energy. There's somebody here who is wanting to offer you a long-term relationship, a commitment, something that you are very, you know, a 10 of Cups, something that you wanted all this time. But the Four of Cups and the Strength is here. Looks like you're not interested in this person, or you're not interested in this commitment. Why? Nine of Swords and the Knight of Wands. It looks like you're unsure of this person, or you're unsure of this commitment. The Moon and the Judgment. So yeah, Pisces, you're trying to make a decision here about this connection, because it looks like you have to make a decision about moving to a new place, and you don't really want to do that for some reason, okay? The Moon is you hiding the fact, hiding something here. Maybe you're hiding the fact that you don't want to move, and that's creating a conflict here. The Star, is healing here. There is a happy outcome to this. So I think despite all your worries, Pisces, and I think you may be overthinking something here a little bit, but you are going towards a very happy, stable energy. You are going towards this commitment, this marriage. You're going to towards a new beginning. There's celebration here with this person. You are going to be feeling stuck for a while, because you're not sure what to decide, what to choose, but there is forward movement, okay, in this love relationship. So although there is a little bit of a hiccup there, because you're not sure, or for some reason you're resisting this new beginning, but I still see you going ahead with this. So let's see what is the outcome. Yeah, see, the outcome is also Four of Wands. There is a new beginning, a passionate new beginning, a breakthrough. Okay, so I think you are going to overcome this fear that you have, Pisces. Why Four of Wands? Please clarify. So there is a new start for you. Yeah, see, you're going to think about things and you are going to realize that this fear is coming from something from your past. Okay, there is something from your past that's hindering this new start, this you moving in, taking this connection one step further, but you're finally doing it. I see you going towards this new start, this new beginning, taking that leap of faith. Ace of Wands. Yeah, see, you're scared. Seven of Wands. You are trying to resist something here, but you're finally going to say yes to this person. Yeah, see, there's victory here. This person who you're dealing with could also be famous, well known. See, you're taking that leap of faith. You're working on your fears. You're taking that leap of faith. Aries energy there. Virgo energy. Why is the Ace of Swords here? Let me see. I saw the Five of Swords. So there could be some kind of fear that is trying to hamper this new beginning for you. But look at that, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords. So yeah, there is a breakthrough here. There are conflicts. There is some kind of a fight. There could be people trying to scare you as well. Okay, so just be careful about that. There are too many cards here. Can't take everything. I'll take this. Yeah, see, Wheel of Fortune. So things are turning in your favor. So whatever you're going through, this kind of this temporary hiccup, it's just temporary. Okay, Pisces, there's nothing to worry because all the other cards are like looks good. So whatever this Five of Wands is, be careful not to take too much opinions about this from friends or family. I see a lot of people interfering, filling your head about things, and maybe that's also one of the reasons why you kind of have this fear of, you know, taking this one step ahead. There is a strong magnetic connection here. So yes, Pisces, something you can't ignore. Okay, and I think that's what helps you move towards this person. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Let go of control issues and allow the situation to unfold naturally. Yes, exactly. So there is a bit of a control thing here, Pisces, which I also felt. Time apart from your partners on the horizon. Yeah, we saw that. So you may take some time off to kind of think about things. They want to spend their life with you. So Pisces, all the cards are really good here. Okay, and it all ties up with the reading here. I really apologize for that background sound. It just comes up, you know, out of the blue. So Pisces, this is what I have for you. I hope this resonated. If it did, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care, guys. Bye.